Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to get 3 crowns in chess.com. Now, if you want to get 3 crowns on your account, it's quite, well, it's easy to get there, but it's kind of hard, especially if you're a beginner. Now, once you've logged into your chess.com account, you want to click on play bots, right? And then once you are in the play bots section, just set up a game and choose the type of bot you want to play. I suggest just do the easiest one, so 250, right? And then click play. So the only way to do so is to beat a bot in chess.com without any help. So it's pretty much 1v1 and you gotta win. You can't tie, you can't lose, you need to win. So if you start playing against a bot, right, in chess.com, like click play, right? So you can just start playing, make sure you win, right? So again, it's the only way. There's a lot of trial and error here, especially if you're a beginner, because a lot of times you're gonna suffer. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. Will see you on the next video.